Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving this exponential equation. We have today 2x to the power of negative 3 is equal to 8. Remember here only x is to the power of negative 3. So this is actually equal to 2 over x cubed is equal to 8. Let's cross multiply and we have x cubed is equal to 2 over 8. Now, to solve for the cube root, I do not want to simplify 2 over 8 because I know that 8 is equal to 2 cubed. It will be easier to work with that. I can find the cube root here and the cube root here. That gives me x cubed is equal to the cube root of 2 over 8. This simplifies to cube root of 2 over cube root of 8. I'll leave cube root of 2 as it is, and I know the cube root of 8 is 2. So the value of x now we know is cube root of 2 over 2 is the value of x. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.